The 13 biggest mammals. A hippopotamus is nearly the same size as a rhinoceros, while whales are very large animals. But do you know which kind of mammals are the largest? Here's a list of the 13 biggest mammals in 13 categories. Hello everyone. Welcome to Z. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. 13 biggest bat. Golden-capped fruit bat, 3 pounds. Naturalists refer to any bat that weighs more than a few ounces as a megabat, yet no megabat is bigger than the Philippines golden-capped fruit bat, also known as the enormous golden-capped flying fox. Fruit bats, fortunately for humans, only consume plants. They also lack echolocation, the ability of common bats to detect prey at a distance by releasing sound waves that are reflected back to them. Biggest marsupial, red kangaroo, 200 pounds. Australia's red kangaroo, which weighs 200 pounds and is 5.5 feet tall, is the largest mammal. Given the massive sizes of its ancestors, that is hardly much to say. The 2-ton enormous wombat and the 500-pound big short-faced kangaroo both lived in Australia. Red kangaroo males can leap about 30 feet in a single motion and are substantially larger than females. Biggest canid, gray wolf, 200 pounds. Despite the fact that some varieties of domesticated dogs get bigger, the gray wolf is dependably the largest member of the Canis genus. Wolves can weigh as much as 200 pounds at maturity. Forever partners are gray wolves. Despite the fact that some varieties of domesticated dogs get bigger, the gray wolf is dependably the largest member of the Canis genus. Wolves can weigh as much as 200 pounds at maturity. Forever partners are gray wolves. Eastern lowland gorilla is the largest primate, 400 pounds. The eastern lowland gorilla and the western lowland gorilla are the two contenders for the title of largest primate in the world. Although western lowland gorillas outnumber eastern lowland gorillas 20-1, both species are found in the Congo, with the 400-pound eastern variant generally having the upper hand over its 350-pound western counterpart. Siberian tiger, largest cat, 500 to 600 pounds. Siberian tigers can weigh up to 500 to 600 pounds for males and 300 to 400 pounds for females. There are only about 500 Siberian tigers left in eastern Russia, and ongoing ecological pressure could cause them to lose their status. Given that they are better fed and less endangered than their Siberian kin, some naturalists contend that Bengal tigers have surpassed them. There could be 2,000 Bengal tigers living in Bangladesh and India. Giant forest hog, the largest pig, 600 pounds. The size of the enormous forest hog. Though it is occasionally preyed upon by the largest African leopards, this 600-pound pig has been observed to scare African hyenas away from their kill. The enormous forest hog is not particularly aggressive despite its size. It can coexist with humans and is easily domesticated, if not already. It eats largely plants and only scavenges food when it is extremely hungry. Seven, biggest equid, Grevy zebra, 1,000 pounds. Along with horses, the genus Equus also includes donkeys, asses, and zebras. Although some farmed horses weigh more than 2,000 pounds, Grevy zebra is the largest wild horse in the world. Adults can weigh up to half a ton. Grevy zebra is on the verge of extinction. Like many other species on this list, there are possibly less than 5,000 left in isolated habitats in Kenya and Ethiopia. Six, biggest bear, polar bear, 1 ton. You're mistaken if you think that the sizes of polar bears, grizzly bears, and pandas are comparable. By far the largest and most lethal of all bears is the polar bear. The largest males can weigh up to a ton and stand 10 feet tall. The Kodiak bear, some of whose males can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, is the only bear that comes close. Five, white rhinoceros, the largest odd-toed ungulate, 5 tons. The diversity of perissodactyls, or odd-toed ungulates, is less than that of their even-toed relatives. Horses, zebras, and tapirs make up one side of this family while rhinoceroses make up the other. The white rhinoceros, the largest perissodactyl, weighs 5 tons, making it comparable to Pleistocene rhinoceros ancestors such as the Elasmotherium. The southern and northern white rhinoceros are the two different species of white rhinoceros, and it is obvious where in Africa each one lives. Hippopotamus, the largest even-toed ungulate, 5 tons. The largest cleft-hoofed mammal, the common hippopotamus, is a member of the family of widely distributed even-toed ungulates, or artiodactyls, which also includes deer, pigs, cows, and other plant-eating mammals. The pygmy hippopotamus isn't as large as its 5-ton cousin. You may also argue in favor of the giraffe, an even-toed animal that is significantly taller than a hippo but weighs just 2 tons. Killer whale is the largest dolphin, 6 to 7 tons. How can a whale be the largest dolphin? Orcas, also known as killer whales, are considered dolphins rather than whales. Killer whales, not great white sharks, are the top predators of the oceans because male orcas weigh 6 to 7 tons, which is larger than the largest sharks. Because killer whale attacks on people are extremely rare, sharks are perceived as being more dangerous. 2. Biggest elephant, African elephant, 7 tons. The African elephant, which weighs 7 tons and is the world's largest land animal, is smaller than the blue whale for a good reason. Blue whales are heavier than elephants, but the buoyancy of water helps balance this. The African elephant's large ears are part of its internal heat dissipation system. A 7-ton, warm-blooded creature burns a lot of energy. Blue whale, the largest whale, 200 tons. The blue whale is the largest vertebrate animal that has ever existed, measuring 100 feet long and 200 tons. It is also the biggest mammal in the planet. Even the biggest dinosaurs couldn't get close to it in size. Titanosaurs ranged in size from over 100 feet long to about 200 tons. The blue whale is the loudest mammal on planet, which is only fitting. This cetacean can vocalize at 180 dB, which is loud enough to deafen the majority of mammals. That's for now. We appreciate you for being here. View more our channel videos.